Take a moment to settle into a safe and comfortable place where you can fully relax. Today, we are setting aside a few minutes to return to your center. You can return to this meditation anytime your mind feels overwhelmed, distracted, heavy, or restless. Now take a slow inhale and gently exhale. Again, slow inhale and release. Allow the breath to settle into a calm and natural rhythm. Now imagine a soft circle of light surrounding you, a calm and peaceful space. For the next few moments, this space is your haven. Begin by noticing the sounds around you within the circle. Distant sounds, nearby sounds, soft sounds. Allow yourself to simply notice them. And then slowly allow them to dissolve into the background. Now bring awareness inward to the body. Notice the feeling of your breathing, the weight of your body resting beneath you. Allow your brow to soften and your jaw to relax. Your shoulders may gently release. Let your stomach unclench and grow calm. Allow your hips to become heavy and relaxed. Notice any remaining sensations within the body. Gently allow those feelings to dissolve. Now notice the emotional atmosphere within you. What emotions are present? Perhaps restlessness, heaviness, anxiety, or tension. Simply notice those feelings for a moment. Now allow them to dissolve and release. Now bring awareness to the mind. Notice your many thoughts. They are like bees, humming softly, busy, moving, here one moment, gone the next. Feel those thoughts buzzing now. Now watch as they slowly disperse and drift away. The humming grows quieter, the mind becomes more spacious, and beneath it, a stillness remains, quiet presence. Take a moment to feel the breath in your lungs. In and out. Rest here for a moment. Feel these words resonate within you. I am calm. I am centered. I am here. Finally, take a moment to picture the glowing circle around you once more. A calm space surrounding your body, steady and centered. Imagine this circle gently separating your energy from the noise and emotions around you, allowing you to remain grounded within yourself. You are here within the world, while still connected to your own center. Visualize this circle anytime you need to return to yourself, anytime you need calm, clarity, or space to breathe. Now slowly begin returning your awareness to the room around you. Take one deeper inhale and gently exhale. When you are ready, slowly open your eyes. Thank you for taking care of yourself. May you go about your day in peace.